G'day, it's Mark here from Tough Touring. Today I'm going to show you how to mount a Tough Touring bracket for poleless awnings. Step 1, put the awning bracket in position on your rack and mark out all your holes. Step 2, drill out your holes. I'm using a 5mm drill bit, 4 rivets along the back side prevents twist, while 2 rivets along the passenger side prevents lifting. This is strong enough, believe it or not, to hold a poleless awning. In some circumstances we'll use riv nuts, and you'll find that there are alternate M8 riv nut holes pre-laser cut into the bracket, alternating of course with the rivet holes which run the whole way along the bottom. A quick little shot of using the riv nut method there, sliding them in. This bracket will mount to very difficult racks. That's the Gobi. This is a ARB rack. This one here is a K9 rack, and this is a Boss aluminium rack. All of these are very difficult to mount an awning to, and this bracket makes it easy. So easy, in fact, even the workshop doll will think you're a legend. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Bye.